In this tutorial, I will teach you how to integrate Square with Squarespace. Mastering this skill will help you merge one of the most powerful payment systems with one of the best website builders available today. This combination supports a seamless online transaction experience for your customers, ensuring a smooth, comfortable, and secure shopping experience for all. Start the process by logging into your Squarespace account. Once logged in, take a trip to your admin panel, usually found in the upper right corner of your dashboard, where you will be able to handle all the technical aspects of your website. Click it and you'll see a diverse range of options available for administrating your site. Next, navigate to the Commerce settings. Look for the Settings option on the side or bottom of your admin panel. After clicking on it, a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Commerce. Now, you are in the heart of your online shop's administrative center. Look for the Payments tab and, once found, click on it. Once inside the Payments tab, you will stumble upon your next task, setting Square as your payment provider. You'll see a list of available payment providers, all of which are popular, reliable, and vetted by the Squarespace team. However, for this tutorial, our focus is Square, so it's that name that you need to locate and click on. Now, a prompt to connect your Square account will appear. Here, you are creating a bridge between your Squarespace website and your Square account, connecting the two platforms for optimal performance and ease of use. Input your Square account credentials. Both your email and password will need to be entered. After providing these, click to authorize the connection, and voila! The bridge has been created. Finally, you will be taken to Settings configurations for your newly connected Square payment option. At this point, you harness the power to adjust your payment preferences at will. This includes selecting which types of payments you'll accept, whether credit or debit, digital wallets, or possibly all of them. You can also tweak your tax settings, another crucial aspect of running an online shop. And with that, you successfully learned how to integrate Square with Squarespace. It's time to start reaping the benefits of this powerful pairing, providing a shopping experience that's both secure and pleasing for your customers. Thank you for joining this tutorial, and remember, your mastery over every aspect of your Squarespace website is just one tutorial away. Happy learning!